Yes, class, we'll continue with the topic. We were on latitudes and longitudes. So we started with these are the lines. This I'm calling latitudes, and these are the lines I'm calling longitudes. So let's go through the details of these two. When I talk about these both the lines, that is latitude as well as longitudes, they are drawn nowhere on the earth. कहीं पे भी earth पे ये lines नहीं है. It means these are the imaginary lines which we have drawn on the globe. So let us take up the definition for both will be same. Only what you have to keep in mind is you have to use the words, that is the directions, carefully. You're already aware of the four main directions, so not a problem. Just keep this in mind: north, south, east, west. Now these lines, if I'm talking about latitudes, now these lines are like this. It means they are moving from east to west, or you can say west to east. Now if we talk about these lines, they are drawn from north to south. So only the word or the directions you have to change in the name, directions you have to change in your definition. So let's go to the definition part. Latitudes, this is I'm talking about these lines. Latitudes are imaginary lines drawn on the globe moving from east to west. Okay, clear? Now if we talk about longitudes, same definition will be there, only the word east and west will change to north and south. So let's see how. These are the imaginary lines. You can use the word longitudes are the imaginary lines on the globe drawn from north to south. So this is the definition for both, that is latitude and longitudes. This is one. So let us one more thing. If you forget which is latitude or which is longitude, so just keep this in mind: latitudes, लेटी हुई lines. And if we talk about longitudes, these are long lines. So you will remember what we are talking about. All right, so through these direction. Second, if we see these lines, these are the lines which are drawn like this. So they are not intersecting, they are not connecting, they are not meeting anywhere. It means these are parallel lines. So we can call them as latitudes of parallels of latitudes, because they are parallel to each other. No, they are not intersecting, meeting anywhere. Whereas if we talk about these lines, that is longitudinal lines, they are intersecting in the north as well as in the south. This is the polar regions, polar area, north pole, and this is the south pole. Polar regions we'll do in the next topic, that is heat zones. So you'll get to know about what are these polar regions. You just here remember north pole and the south pole. So difference, second difference we have done. First definition, second is they are parallel to each other, and these lines meet at poles. They are meeting at the poles, both the poles. Number 3. Now this is the longest one because it is the midline, right? So if we move towards the north or you move towards the south, the length of these start decreasing. It means the latitude start decreasing, the length of the latitude start decreasing from the equator. The midline is called equator, that is 0 degree. The mid one is called 0 degree, that is equator. If we move from equator towards the poles, that is north or south, the length of these lines start decreasing. Whereas these lines, if we talk about these lines, they are of the same length. The size will remain same. So this third is clear to you. They are parallel and they are meeting at poles. You can see the distance between these lines start decreasing as we move towards the poles. Longitudes, the distance between the longitudes start decreasing as we move on to the poles, or you can simply write they meet at poles. If we talk about the number of these, now total number of latitudes are 180. How that I'll tell you. Now if you make a circle and divide it like this, so these angles, this will be, this area will be 90, this area will be 90, this will be 90, and this, so the whole, you have seen a d or d is like this, and d में कितना होता है 180 तक होता है. If you divide a d, it is 90. So this is 90 degrees. Similarly 90 degrees in the north as well as in the south. So 90 plus 90, it is 180. Your latitudes are 180, whereas if we talk about longitudes, they are 360. They are making the full circle. If you take a ball and draw a circle on these like this, so they are making the full circle, so they are 360 in number. If we count these lines or the degrees of these, so they are 180 and 180, that is 360. So this is your next point regarding the difference between the latitude and the longitude. So this is your topic of latitude and longitude. We'll move further. The same points will come again and again, so that you are able to link with your next topic. Your next topic is regarding heat zones. Very important one. So pay attention.